This video is going to be about filters, but these aren't your dad's coffee filters. Howdy everyone, hope you're doing well. This video is going to be about addressing and taking a look at different photographic lens filters we have and what their uses are for. So let's stop wasting time and go check each one of them out. So filters are usually divided into two main categories. You've got your circular filters that screw directly onto the lens thread, and then we've got our square filters. And of course, the square filters are going to require a special type of holding device to actually attach to our camera bodies. In this video, we're going to be mostly focused on circular filters as they're more commonplace. They're going to make more sense for this video. And the one we're going to look at first is going to be our UV filter. So even though it's transparent, this filter does have a special coating. And these coatings block ultraviolet radiation from entering the camera directly. All right, so modern lenses that come from the factory already have a UV coating usually equipped. So it might seem a bit unnecessary, but the main reason a lot of photographers choose to use this in the repertoire is for one simple reason, and that is to protect your lens glass. The external lens glass is completely exposed to the elements, which makes it very susceptible to scratches, cracks, or the worst case scenario, shattering. And a UV filter can help in that aspect. So extra protection is great, but it comes with one more drawback. As we're adding another piece of glass in front of our camera lens, it's just gonna make things a little bit more complex, so it can actually put things out of focus. We can pick up slightly different color hues. And as most UV coatings already have a subtle color cast, this can really mess up with our final product. So it's really up to you if you wanna use this or not. Now, a small little tip from us, every single filter is gonna have a different thread diameter. So instead of buying a different filter for all of your lenses, just buy the largest one that fits your needs. You can then attach it to a smaller lens using step-down rings that screw onto the smaller lens. All right, so another filter we're gonna come across is our CPL or polarized filter. It's also called a circular polarizing filter. And this is gonna help us in controlling the amount of light reflections that enter our camera. In most cases, we want to use this filter when shooting glass, snowscapes, or even water, whether you want to see through or enhance the reflections that come off of different objects. This filter can also be useful in photos featuring the sky, as a significant part of it is just a reflection of light. So another filter you might come across quite a bit is going to be our ND filter, also known as a neutral density filter. And the sole purpose of this filter is to take our exposure settings and lower their values. So say we're somewhere in the field and the conditions don't allow us to actually lower that setting on our camera. So for example, the neutral density filter is going to be a great thing to have when you're shooting long exposures throughout the day. It's also popular among videographers who can't really adjust exposure settings much to maintain sort of natural motion blur, and so they use an ND filter. Now, filters are available in various densities, indicated by numbers like ND4, 8, 16, 64, all the way up to 100,000. You can find variable ND filters which change density by rotating the filter. This way you have several densities in one filter, so the higher the number, the more darker you can make your exposure. Now, there are also special types of filters, which are going to be known as effect filters. And because there's so many of them, let's just take a look at some of the coolest ones, or at least the ones that we like. One of the most popular is going to be your Pro Mist filter, and this adds an almost analog touch to your photos, where the surrounding light creates a sort of dreamy or hazy effect. And we even made a video about the Pro Mist filter, so if you're interested in having a look at that, you can check it out here. You might even learn how to make one at home, so you don't have to buy one. Landscape photographers might find gradient filters useful because they function similar to ND filters. The difference is that the neutral gray layer doesn't span across the entire filter. It gradually transitions to clear. And this comes in handy when photographing the horizon, especially against the light. This way your sky won't be overexposed and the horizon remains nicely exposed. Now, there are other filters that can create effects such as streaks or starbursts in very bright areas of your photos, just adding that extra special touch. Certainly, there are many other filters that we haven't covered and gone through, and the stores are full of them, and the only limit is your imagination and creativity. That's all from us here at Zoner Photo Studio regarding filters. I hope this was useful for you. Let us know what you think below, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Till then, take care.